When you add the driver assistance package to a Mercedes-Benz, it equips the car with 14 driving assistance and collision avoidance technologies. Many of them are active in conjunction with the Distronic adaptive cruise control system. Pre-Safe is just one of numerous occupant safety technologies and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Some of them, like Pre-Safe, are standard equipment. Most, however, are options offered as separate upgrades or bundled into packages. Driving assistance package. Take to the road leading to autonomous driving. The latest systems support you based on the situation with speed adjustment, steering, changing lane, and even when there is a risk of a collision. The risk of an accident is reduced, passengers and road users are effectively protected. This way you are able to reach your destination relaxed and safe. Exclusive components and functions which are only available with the driving assistance package. Active Distance Assist Distronic. Active Speed Limit Assist. Extended restart function on motorways. Route-based speed adjustment with end-of-tailback function. Active Steering Assist. Active Lane Changing Assist. Active Emergency Stop Assist with SOS function. Emergency Lane function. Active Braking Assist. Cornering and cross-traffic function. Congestion Emergency Braking function. Evasive Steering Assist. Active Lane Keeping Assist. Active Blind Spot Assist. Exit Warning function. When you have the driver assistance package, you get the following upgrades: Active Distance Assist Distronic with extended restart, adaptive cruise control that maintains a safe distance behind traffic ahead, can bring the car to a stop, and in stop-and-go traffic will automatically resume within 30 seconds. Active Steering Assist, in conjunction with Distronic, this centers the car in the lane of travel and can follow vehicles ahead when lane markings are unclear or unavailable. Active Blind Spot Assist, discourages a driver from changing lanes if another vehicle is in the blind spot by selectively braking the wheels to tug the Mercedes back into its lane. Active Lane Keeping Assist, selectively brakes the wheels to help prevent the Mercedes from drifting out of the intended lane of travel. Active Lane Change Assist, in conjunction with Distronic, this feature helps to change lanes and overtake slower traffic when the driver signals and it is safe to do so. Active Brake Assist with cross-traffic function, monitors for vehicles and pedestrians ahead. If a car drives in front of the Mercedes, the system emits a warning. When the driver brakes in response to that warning, the system provides the necessary amount of braking to prevent an impact or reduce its severity. If a pedestrian walks in front of the Mercedes, the automatic emergency braking system will engage. Active Emergency Stop Assist, in conjunction with Distronic, if a driver falls asleep or suffers a medical emergency, the system can bring the Mercedes to a stage stop, activate the hazard flashers, and place an emergency SOS call to get help. Active Speed Limit Assist, in conjunction with Distronic, the system reads speed limit signs and adjusts vehicle speed accordingly. Evasive Steering Assist, offers an added measure of safety when the driver makes a sudden evasive steering maneuver. Congestion Emergency Braking, when traffic ahead comes to a sudden stop, the system can assess whether or not a driver has a way around the congestion and, if not, automatically engages the emergency braking system. Pre-Safe Plus, works similar to Pre-Safe, but prepares the vehicle's cabin and its occupants for a rear instead of a forward collision. Pre-Safe Impulse Side, when another vehicle is about to crash into the Mercedes on the side, the system inflates air chambers within the door side of the seat. This moves the occupant toward the center of the vehicle in order to reduce the potential for injury. Route-based speed adaptation, in conjunction with Distronic, this automatically reduces vehicle speed based on the navigation system's map database and the ADAS technology, slowing as the vehicle approaches exits, curves in the road, roundabouts, toll booths, and more.